They call me the babayag ka. Ano bang ganito susuting ko kapag nagpakita ako doon kay Lola? Ito ang aking fit. Ito ang fit ko pag pupunta sa bahay ng Lola kong 98 na. Ayos ba? Bakit? Bakit ganito yung suot ko? Kasi syempre, kailangan presentable tayo. 98 na si Lola, pre. Pero pag may sumanib sa kanya, pag hindi normal si Lola. Okay, ang game na to ay She Was 98. Nasasakal ako. So pumunta tayo sa bahay ng isang lola natin, grandmother, na 98 na. At tayo ay mag-aalaga mismo sa kanya. At syempre, may plot twist na mangyayari dito. Okay, hindi maganda yung ginawa ko. Like, man, bakit ganito yung story na to? It was kinda sad, yung story. Pero, yeah, it was kinda scary as in. Nakakatakot din yung game na yun. Kaya, yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Mga pala, goodbye sa akong buhok kasi nagpapagupit na ako. Ayoko na ng buhok na. Game, laro na tayo! She Was 98. Ano to, alam ko, mag-aalaga tayo ng lola natin. Lola ata alagaan natin dito. As a child, I often visited my grandmother in the summer. Although I don't remember much about it. And now, many years later, I have returned. My mother made me come to this God-forsaken place to look after my grandmother. In the prime of my life, I will be wasting my precious time, even if it is for someone close to me. But this is not the life I wanted. What about my grandmother? Maybe she has completely lost her mind? Maybe she doesn't need help anymore? At least there is one joy. My grandmother's house will go to me. All that's left is to endure these days, or maybe months, or even years. Ito naman. Ay, ganda ng graphics! Kaso, madilim. Ay, paldo ang graphics. Uy, wow! Realistic! Ay, ang ganda ng graphics niya.
Ay, salamat.
This is Grandma's room. I don't want to wake her up. We'll talk when she wakes up. Parang totoong buhay, may daga pa. La! Pet mo ba to, Lola? The house is in terrible condition. Messy, dirty, and smelling of dampness. Am I really going to have to leave? Ano? Am I really going to have to leave her here all this time? Dito na tayo titira? Wala nung daga. Alaga ni Lola yan, dagang yan. Saan na ba yun? Umalis na ata yung daga. Ito. La, ano pangalan nito? Ratatouille? Baka 98 na si Lola, pre. My childhood toy. I like visiting here when I was a child. A lot has changed since then. Wow! Solid tong graphics na to, man, ah. Ang dami naman daga dito. La, hindi ka naglilinis ng bahay mo, ah. Saan yung... Laasan yung susi? Ay, ito nga. Ah, si Lola. Ah! Ito, susi. Grandma, hello. I'm here. Ang dilim! I know you're awake. Okay, I won't disturb you. Oh, ba magalit si Lola eh. 98 na yan, pre. Di na ba ito eh. Bahay ba o buhay pa? Mamaya tayo po yung buhay tsaka ano. Buhay pa ba si Lola o bahay pa ba to? Ang dilim masyado eh. Baka hindi pa tayo binigyan ng flashlight. Ano? Wala pa akong flashlight eh. Grabe yung bahay to! So, tagalinis na ako ulit dito. Ba't parang kada laro ko, lagi ako naglilinis? Nakakailo. Ano yun yung sa POV mismo natin? Now I need to put the furniture back in place. Puti ka, may mga naglalakad na na daga. Oh, okay na. Minalinis naman na natin ng konti. Okay na. Safe na, oh. Malinis na. Ganyan. I'd like to take a nap. I just need to find some bedding. Here's the bedding. Ay, yung daga, oh! Oh my goodness, Lola. Paano ka nakakatulog ng ganyan dito? May bango dito, man. Solid yan. Ay, ito gabi na. Bakit cutscene? Ah, okay. Ay! Gameplay pala yun. Mukha siyang cutscene, pre. A strange boarded up door. I remember it from my childhood. But I don't remember what's behind it. Flashlight wala. Open the notebook, press tab. Wash up, visit my grandmother. Okay. My eyesight is poor, I'd better wash first. Okay. Grabe, napakalinis naman. Pili ko may dugo pa dito. Kakain daw muna tayo. May bread, may hotdog. Wow! Tapos, okay na. Grandma is awake. It's scary to imagine what she's become after spending so much time alone. Sitting in her dirty, tiny room, alone with her past and old age ailments. But first, I need to go get her pills. Oh! Naglag. Bumigat yung laro parts. Wala bang flashlight? Kahit man lang ilaw, grandma's pills. They somehow keep her body and brain functioning. What? What do you mean by that? I'm just here to give your pills, okay? Hello, grandma. How are you? Ay, tama. HATSRT. Ay, sa Rose pala. Parang hindi na si grandma to eh. Ikaw pa ba yan? I arrived yesterday. Mom insisted that I look after you. Here are your headache pills. Have you decided to remember me before I die? Is your conscience bothering you or did you set your sights on the house? Galit si Lola sa atin. Well, since you're here, you'll have to help me, but I don't think I'm happy about it. Find the box marked with a cross. I don't remember where it is or what's in it, but I remember that it's very important to me. Okay, utusan tayo ni Lola. Find the box with the cross. Okay. Ayan na. What's this? Here's the box with the chewed up photos inside. I need to take them to grandma, but I think she won't like it very much that her only memories of her youth have been ruined by a rat. Pucha, daga pala yan. Di ko napansin. Here's the box. My grandma, ito na. There were photos in the box. As I understand it, they show my grandfather in his youth. My mother didn't talk up much about him. But there's not much left of the photos. The rats gnawed on them. These photos were very important to you. Those little creatures! They ran around my house, keep me awake, eat my food, and now they're ruining things that are dear to me. I won't forgive them for this. Kill them all. Nagalit si Lola sa sa daga! What are you standing there for? Go find some mousetraps. Okay, Lola. Eto to, may mousetrap ata dito. Okay, ito dami. I need bait. I'll look in the fridge. Okay. Cheese will work as a bait for mousetrap. I can start setting the traps. Okay. Saan natin lalagay? Dito. Uy, di nahuli yung taga! Umilag! Wala kang ilaw? Walang ilaw? Hindi na nagbabayad si Lola. Hoy! Nakakatayo ka la? Now I need to remove all the mousetraps that have been triggered. Nakita niyo ba yun? O hindi, kasi madilim. Madilim. Strange, the mousetrap couldn't have cut the rat like that. And where's the other half of its body? This is the last mousetrap. I think that's enough. Tab. Okay na. Kita niyo naman ng konti, di ba? Wala. Ay, ayun pala. I did what you asked. Kita niyo ba? Ako hindi. Is everything okay? What's wrong with you? For there is no truth in their mouths. Their hearts are destructive. Their throats are open graves, and they flatter with their tongues. I think I'll go to bed and you should too, okay? Good night.
Kita pag full brightness kaso barely.
Kita ko naman siya ng konti lang. Oh, TV pa lang yun! Matulog ka na! Ayun, malakas ang volume niya sa jumpscare. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Ano, wala pa rin flashlight? Ay, may note. Wash up, eat, visit grandma. Yun na naman gagawin ko. Nakadilat lang si Lola eh! Nakatingin na sa akin eh! Grandma, are you here? The TV, the evening program, how can I miss it? My favorite TV is broken.
Kit, I can see she.
Kita ko siya! There was an old TV in the basement. It would be great if you go downstairs and bring it up to me. The key is under the doormat. Hurry up. Ayun! Finally! I have lights now, bro. Okay na, may ilaw na ba? Grandma's initials. What does a person feel when choosing a coffin for themselves? Ba't parang nasobra naman yung ilaw ngayon? Alam niyo yung pati yung may ilaw naman. May ilaw naman na, kaso sobra lang yung ilaw, nasobrahan sa ilaw. Crowbar? What for? Maganda sana yung game eh. Feeling ko may lalabas dito anytime eh. Ayun, may sumilip nga. Nakita ko na may sumilip nga, pre. May sumilip. Ang hirap makita, nakakaumay. Puti ka! Ay, puti ka, gagamba pala. Ano ba yan? Pre, paano ko makikita to? Wala na akong makita! Uy!
What the fuck? I can see she. Liliwanag tas didilim naman.
Dahil ano yan? May kama...
WTH is this game?
Ano yan?
Kit, what the helly?
Grandma, is that you? I'm scared. Please answer me. Turn to me, Lord. Deliver my soul. Save me for the sake of
Ibalik
your
mo ang
mercy.
kamay para may makita
For
ang
in
heaven.
death there is no remembrance of you. In the grave, who will praise you? Tusan mo lang ako, kuha lang ako ng TV. Tapos gaganyanin mo lang ako bigla. Di maganda yun, la. Yo, where do I go, bro?
Tanginahin ay pan.
Bloodstains? When did they appear? Uy, ayun oh. Sabi ko sa yung tangkad ni Lola, pre. Uy, saan yung kuryente? Let me get a TV.
Kung kailan may ilaw ko rat. Ikaw pag tumanda.
Saan ako pupunta? Dito! Wala!
Okay, masakit na sa mata.
Bulaga! Murderer, murderer, murderer! Sino? Wala, puti ka!
Follow and repeat.
Ay! Puta! Ano yun? Lola! Pre, para ako naglalaro ka. Nakikita niyo ba yung kalaban? Pre. Nauumay lang ako sa Tingnan mo, dumilim lalo. Ay, ambot ka. Flashlight? May huminga, pare. Yoryo t-shirt niya. Someone is breathing behind the door. Sabi na may humihinga eh. Nebulizer la, kailangan mo? Kahit sabi mo may kandila, napakadili pa rin eh. Parang ako lang mag-jumpscare dito, pre. Hindi pwedeng ako lang. Ang dilim! Pag ilaw ko nito, nandyan na si Lola.
Ano kami maha jumpscare eh wala nga kami
Pucha, wala. Where did Grandma go? Yun nga eh, paano nga kayo medyo jumpscare? Inside the heart niya. There's no one here. Hirap makikita, nakakao. And there's no one in the hallway. So, nasan si Lola? CR na naman! The key is under the windows windowsill?
Sa banyo.
Sa baba daw ng windows. Ito susi. What's the key for, pare? Para saan? Ito, kita nyo to, di ba? La! Paano ka nakakit dyan? What? Fear? Dead? What do you mean?
Siguro real life yan, di ganan kadilim.
May doorbell. Gumagana ba yung kahit i-adjust nyo yung ano? Hindi ko na ma-adjust dito sa game eh. Sa ano niya ata, sa inyo na mismo. Who's there? Are you sure you want to hear this? What are you talking about? You were upstairs. You went out alone. I don't understand. We all saw it. The police are on their way. Huh? Hindi ba? Hindi ba tayo yung reason kung ba't namatay si Lola? Kasi meron tayo kaninang parang poison. Ito, may ilaw, may ilaw! Yan, gusto ko pwede na yan. May next game pa tayo. Feeling ko tayo yung reason kung ba't namatay si Lola.
Okay, di ko kaya eyeball brightness ko sakit sa mata.
Hello,
Hi
Sylvie.
Kit, good eve.
For sure. Ang hirap talaga makita. Flashlight. Oh, tinan mo, sobrang pitch black na sa baba. Sylvie, tingin sa heart niya. Sobrang pitch black sa baba, pre, legit. Wala naman. Ah! Pre, ako lang nakakita ng jumpscare eh! Ako lang nakakita!
Kaka-start mo lang ba?
Unfair naman yun!
Tapat mo ang ilaw mo dyan sa screen.
Unfair naman!
Ano yun?
Tingnan nyo. Ay! Puta! Ano yun? Si Lola ba yun? Lola, may pakain lang ako sa'yo. Grandma, I brought your pills.
Let's go.
I have a bad feeling, grandson. Can you do what I ask first? There's a box on the second floor in the closed room. You'll see it right away. Bring it to me. Go get it again? At yung pinapakuha niya. Oy! Oy! Huwag ganun. Parang naulit na. Yung kanina atang dream natin. Ayun na ata yung kanina na ano. Parang future na ata yung pinakita sa dream. Okay, explain ko sa inyo ngayon ha. Bababa na tayo. Ibibigay na natin kay Lola yung box kung di nyo makita. O, nawala si Lola sa upuan ngayon. She's not here,
Bakit
pare.
ang dilim?
Grandma has disappeared somewhere. I don't like this. What if she figures it out? Oo nga, lalasunin nga pala natin. Dili masyado dito, Clyde, sa game.
Mag-narrate ka na lang dahil wala kaming makita, hahaha.
Ay, sige. Good luck, Boss TJ, good luck. Okay lang yan.
At late kanina pa, ganyan parang di na naglalaro si Kit.
Bro, ay si Lola, kita nyo na. Oh, nakita nyo na si Lola, pre, ah. Ay, Alyora, tingin sa heart niya. Ayun siya, oo. You see her na? Oh, ayan.
Wow,
Naliligo
bigla.
pala siya. Kung saan may ilaw, dapat dito lang talaga. Hello, Grandma. What are you doing here? Let me take you back. It's time to take your pills. Let me take you back. It's time to... Ito! Nawala!
Lola ba yan? WTH.
Ano kasi siya ngayon? Like, she was 98 kasi. Yung
Lola mo
mismong
talaga
title ng
kamukha
game.
mo, oh, hawig na hawig.
Baka 98 na si siya, pre, kaya ganun na itsura. I mean, imposible magkaroon naman ng... Ito na si Lola. Ayla. Alright, it's time to take your pills. These are my old things. Did you know that your grandmother used to be a ballerina? It was so long ago, but I'll never forget. Take your pills now. Oh,
Mukha kasing lolo, sorry.
strange taste. My throat is dirty. Ay, dry. Please bring me some water. Kita niyo na si Lola?
Talaga yan, Kit.
Hazel, tingin sa heart niya. She tingin sa heart. Kita niyo na, pre. Oh my God. She needs water. She drank what I gave her.
Ba't kaya wasong
All that's
sinabi,
left is to
baka
wait.
mumo na yan. Kit, kamukha mo lola mo.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Nakayoko na siya. Grandma, how are you feeling? Can you hear me? Grandma? No pulse, no breathing. She's dead.
Was 78 kasi ngayon patay na siya. Follow and repost the
She's
link,
dead!
guys.
Are you sure? She's not moving na, pre! Oh my God. Para akong I need to call an ambulance to confirm her death.
Kit, I have a bad feeling.
But parang anytime mumultuhin tayo ni Lola, may mangyayari. Hello, you called the ambulance. How can I help you?
Tense na.
Hello, my grandmother. She's not breathing. What happened? Can you give me more details? I take care of her. I think it's a heart attack or something like that. You know, it's not surprising that this happened. She's old. She was 98.
Bigla.
I understand. We're on our way. Wait. Okay, I'll wait. Ba't kasi walang ilaw? Baka mamaya dito ko lang mapulot yung flashlight. 2 months later.
Kit, I
Don't tell me tapos na yung game. Density is hurt me. Ay, malinaw na! The last one is left. Ano to? 2 months later, ibig sabihin, ay, lumilipat na ata tayo ng bahay? Lipat na ata tayo ng bahay.
Wow, we see the light.
Oh my goodness! Oh wow! Maliwanag na pare. Half na ng game? Or siguro patapos na to. Wait for delivery. Open the boarded door in the bedroom. Grandma's room. The last time I came here was on the day she died. I don't know why, but I'm putting off renovating this room for as long as possible. The kitchen is completely broken. It will take a lot of time to repair and repaint it. It will be just like new. New furniture. I laid the carpet on the floor to cover the rotting boards. Ilaw na tayo, pre. Nakikita na natin. Nagbabasa na ngayon. Oo naman. I'll have to open it. Okay. May deliver pala.
Liwanag kung kailan natin Gina si Lola.
Baka yun yung reason. Who's there? Hello, delivery from the building materials store. Finally. Garni P. Sartney, good evening. Okay na? Safe na? Madilim talaga yung ambience ng game. Kahit sabihin mo umaga dito, ang dilim pa rin. Siguro, pinapaano na lang ata sa atin na maano na si Lola para angkinin na yung bahay. Ewan ko. Wala naman wala pang sinasabing story sa atin eh. Ang ano lang talaga, popoison natin si Lola. Is that her? This is what was hidden in this room. Memories, vivid moments of the life, frozen in long forgotten objects from childhood. Children's toys given to me by my grandmother. My grandmother holding me as a little boy in her arms. I don't remember this at all. Grandma once had a dog named Chucky. I loved playing with him. My first bike, so many memories with it. Riding around the village with my friends on warm summer days. But why did Grandma decide to nail it down? Did I do something wrong?
Oh my grabe.
Wow! Nagparamdam na si Lola. Ano rin si nag-high-tail ako.
Kit, ayan na nga.
I told you guys. May mangyaring masama dito. Dumilim na naman! Oh wait, parang bumalik. Ay hindi.
Dilim na NMN.
Putsang galab, dumilim na naman. The
I
chairs are
fucking knew it.
overturned. The walls are dirty. What's going on here? Oh my god, ayun yung kamay oh. Bro, I see the... Ako lang nakakita eh.
Eto na naman tayo.
Ako lang nakakita, men. The room as I remembered it during my grandmother's absence, it hadn't changed at all, as if waiting for its owner to return.
Kit, wala ulit kami makita.
Wait lang. Wala rin ako magawa eh. Hindi ko kita, pero parang may nakatayo din. Yeah, nandiyan nga si Lola. Kita ko si Lola. Kita niyo ba? Kita ako ng konti lang. Hello lang. Ayun. Umulan.
Buti ka pa kita mo.
Nakita niyo ba? Yung kumidlat? Ang hirap. Hindi mo na tayo binigyan ng flashlight na ako, may. So next game naman siguro malinaw yung game natin. Ayun si Lolo. Kita niyo na?
Kit, sure ka bang naglalaro ka pa?
Salamat sa pagsalo ng jumpscare. Oo, sasaluhin ko talaga yan. Ayun oh, nakatayo oh. Huling ligo niya yan, pre. Oh! Nawala! Ay! Puta! Ayoko ng jumpscare na yun ah! Wow!
Yun na nga.
Wow! Nakita niyo ngayon!
Ayun na nga.
Sabi ko sa inyo, pre.
Alam mo may jump scare pag nagulat si Kit, hahaha.
kumakalkal dito. Ha?
IRL siya umiwas sayeg. Siya mismo umiwas. Lagot kakit.
Saranan to ng karakter natin eh. Ang lala kasi nung ano eh. Iba yung ano ng jump scare.
Lason mo kasi.
Legit. Iba yung jump scare nung laro, pre. Unique yung jump scare niya eh. Ay, puta, yun na nga! Sabi ko na eh. Oh shit.
Malalaman lang namin na may jump scare pag tumilapon ka na.
Hello, grandson. Hi, Lola.
Ayun, may nakita rin
Surprise.
akong jump
Didn't
scare.
expect to see me again? After you poisoned me with your own hands? Ayun na nga, alam nga ni Lola.
At least
I see her
may
slowly
jump
settling
scares
into my
na.
house, renovating it as if nothing had happened. Yes, this old woman is out of her mind. Why should she leave? Is that how you justified yourself? I love the time when you were very little, when you came to visit me. I never thought that little boy would grow up and cynically kill me. I'm not living just like that. Bastard. Oh! Wait!
Millions before randomized the horror system.
Hey, it's locked! Masakit sa mata! Holy! Parang... Parang ano ah. Saan siya matapit? Late na ba? Oo, tapos na yung game eh. Ganda sana yung story tsaka yung game niya.